Surprise!
Yup, that's me, completely clueless that my husband had been keeping a massive secret right across the street. But let's rewind to 5 minutes ago. There. The cinnamon goes right next to the ginger. It finally looks perfect. I absolutely love a quiet Tuesday morning. No frantic school runs, no missing shoes, just peace. Let's see. I wonder who acquired that property at the end of the lane. What is a synonym for acquired? A. Lost. B. Obtained or purchased. C. Painted. It's been totally empty for months. Gosh, I just hope they are pleasant neighbors. Please, no late-night drum practices. It's so perfectly serene here today. You know what? I think I'll make a fresh pot of coffee. What does serene mean? A. Very loud. B. Calm and peaceful. C. Extremely crowded. Oh my goodness! Who on earth is that? It sounds like an absolute emergency. I'm coming! Please stop pounding on the wood. Wait. No way. I must be dreaming. Is that really her? Come on, just open. Open already. Emma?
Surprise! Ha-ha!
Oh my gosh, I am literally shaking. I can't believe you're actually here.
Phew! I've been planning this for weeks, Lisa. I missed you so much.
But you live in the city. You didn't even notify me you were traveling down here.
I totally wanted to see your reaction in person. I knew you'd be absolutely shocked.
Shocked? Oh, honey, I am completely shaken up. My heart is literally racing. When you are shaken up, you are very surprised or emotionally moved.
Wow, it's so quiet in here, Lisa. I honestly forgot what actual silence sounded like.
Is everything okay? I thought you completely loved the vibrant energy of the city. What does vibrant mean? A. Full of energy or life. B. Very old. C. Extremely boring.
I used to, but lately, honestly, the city has become quite overwhelming.
Really? But you always used to say the noise made you feel so alive.
I think I've changed. I just couldn't tolerate the sirens and the crazy traffic anymore.
To tolerate something means A. To like it. B. To put up with something unpleasant. C. To fix it. I totally understand. Sometimes you just really need a house with a garden and, well, some fresh air.
Actually, Lisa, I didn't just come down here for a short visit.
Wait? What do you mean? Is Edward with you?
Edward is actually sitting in the car right at the end of the street.
The end of the street? Why didn't he just come in with you?
He's waiting for my text. That's the secret signal for him to drive the moving truck up.
A moving truck? Emma, what on earth are you saying?
Ta-da! Look at this!
Is this a house key?
We bought the house at the end of the lane, Lisa. We're moving in today.
No way! You bought the house with the gorgeous wraparound porch?
Yes! Oh, it was such a long shot, but the owners actually accepted our offer yesterday.
A long shot is A, very likely to happen, B, unlikely but worth trying, C, a type of sport. Wait, if you need to master English for daily conversations, grab our ebook. It has 25 easy English stories with grammar spotlights, practical quizzes, and speaking prompts to help you learn. Link in the description. Now, I need to know how on earth Emma pulled this off. Wow, I am completely stunned. But how? Edward is so incredibly ambitious about his career. Seriously, how did you convince him to add an entire hour to his commute every single day?
Oh, let me tell you, it was a massive battle. He was so adamant about staying in a high-rise downtown.
What does adamant mean? A, unsure. B, refusing to be persuaded. C, very happy.
He thought the journey into the city every morning would be way too tedious.
I bet. He loves being just 5 minutes away from his fancy office.
I had to be very convincing. I just asked him to really think about our future.
Ooh, so what was the clincher? What finally made him say yes? A clincher is A, a mistake, B, a point or fact that settles an argument, C, an argument.
I told him, in the city, we are just a tiny part of a crowd. But here we have a real community. Oh, and then I mentioned the backyard. He's always wanted a golden retriever.
The dog. Oh, that's so classic, Edward. Yep, that was definitely the clincher. Wait a minute. Is that Mark's car parked right behind the moving truck?
I was wondering when you would finally notice that.
Emma, did my husband know about all of this?
He didn't just know. He and Edward have been in cahoots for an entire month.
In cahoots? My Mark? He's been keeping this giant secret from me?
Yep, he helped Edward find the lawyer, and he even checked the plumbing in the house for us.
Wait, in cahoots? That means they were working together in secret. Oh, he is in deep trouble. I am going to have a very long, very serious talk with Mark Whitmore tonight. If a journey is tedious, it is A, exciting and fast, B, boring and repetitive, C, extremely dangerous.
Surprise, honey! Do you like your brand new neighbors?
Mark, you are a very sneaky man.
Aw, don't be mad, Lisa. We just wanted it to be an absolutely perfect surprise.
Edward, welcome to the neighborhood. I honestly can't believe you gave up the bustling city.
Phew, the commute will be tough, sure, but seeing you two together makes it completely worth it.
This is such a massive transition for you both. Wow. What is a transition? A big celebration. B, a process of changing from one state to another. C, a permanent mistake.
it is. But honestly, we're so ready for a slower pace of life.
Well, you aren't getting any rest today, folks. We are going to help you unpack all those boxes.
Way ahead of you. I've already got the coffee ready in their new kitchen.
He even set up the coffee? Oh, he's definitely in cahoots.
Class is in session. Let's see exactly how you did on today's neighborhood vocabulary. Acquired. B. To obtain or purchase. Serene. B. Calm and peaceful. Vibrant. A. Full of energy and life. Tedious. B. Boring and repetitive. Adamant. B. Refusing to be persuaded. Clincher. B. A point that settles an argument. Transition. B. A process of changing. Excellent work, everyone! Now, let's quickly review our awesome idioms from today. Shaken up means you are very surprised or emotionally moved. A long shot means something is unlikely to happen, but you try anyway. In cahoots means working together in secret, just like Mark and Edward. Before we go, I want you to answer this down in the comments right now. Describe a major transition you have experienced in your life. Keep practicing your English. See you next time. Goodbye, everyone.